Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabrata and I teach you how to perfect eyeshadows in no time. So today I'm going to show you how to do that look correctly so you have the exact look as Zendaya on your eyes. For today's look, I will be using the Nook palette from Sigma. First, I'm taking the color called Tan on all over my lid like this, and a little bit on this crease and blending it all together. I'm using this brush from the Arqueta brush set. It's an Amazon brush that I got and it works very nicely. Make sure this is all well blended, and I'm also going to apply it with the same brush all over my lower lash line. You don't have to be perfect when you're doing this, just kind of neat like so. Another thing is you take this till your inner corner and it's gonna like very naturally blend with your nose bronzer or contour, because when you're gonna apply white over here, this part is going to really shine through and give it that illusion of a soft cut crease. Now let's get started with the start of the steps, the white inner corner. Now you need two kinds of brushes for this look. This is Morphe 383 What's Up Beauty R108. I'm gonna take the shade Cottage from the Sigma palette. Put it first here when you're looking straight, this line that you're seeing exactly in the middle of that, and I will start to just slowly blend it. And make sure you tap, because white eyeshadow usually is very chalky or very powdery, if you know what I mean. So you have to understand, every time you're taking white, you're first placing it here to give that illumination and just blending it like this. I'm gonna come closer, so I will give it like this, just going in the front like half of the eye, so it should kind of blend it like this. You see, like this is going like this. This is my direction of, and the way I'm applying it, I go here, and like by the time I'm here exactly on my under eye, I take my brush away, and it's kind of a little bit on the lid as well, and then it's kind of blending with the outer side. Now this is how it's looking, right? But the inner corner is so popping. For that reason, we're going to use this pencil brush with the same white color. Tap off the axis, and if you have seen my inner corner pop of color video, you have to create a blend and then make it like keep piling more product on your inner corner to give that pop from within. You're gonna take your concealer brush and just quickly like clean it like this. I don't have actual concealer on it, I'm just like cleaning it and giving it like a little bit of shape. Now I'm gonna give you a pro tip. You're gonna take like your compact powder and slowly blend it here with the rest of your skin. So it gives you that very natural angelic vibe. I will do some more piling because now I think I'm getting that lit from within vibe, and there is some definition on the lower lash line. I'm gonna use the shade Cacao just here with an angled brush. I will be using the Maybelline Nano Sculpt and very fine eyeliner. Another thing is there is an inner corner wing, but using a brown product. I'm not going to use like a brown eyeshadow to do that, but I'm going to use a brown liner, and I found a very affordable one for you. This is from Glam 21, and this one is for like 200 or something. So this is the one I'm going to use. For doing an inner corner, you have to basically follow the upper lash line without crossing the lower lash line. So like this. This is how it looks. So beautiful. Another thing, I don't know if you guys noticed, but there is a slight shimmer going on the eyes. It is not a lot, but it's there. Just like very little. That's it. I'm going with the Zigos Beauty Eden lashes just to complete the look, but you can totally stop here or maybe add a wing if you would like. In the premise, she's wearing the manga lashes that you can easily find on Amazon. You can search anime or manga lashes, but since I am not a big fan of how they look on me, I've not used it, but you can totally do that. But there's one more thing that you guys probably have not noticed, that there is some white over here, like so. Just cleaning from the lash line to outside. So here's the final look. I think it looks beautiful, and you know, if I go a bit far, you're gonna just fall in love how beautiful and angelic that looks like. It definitely is a standout kind of an eye look, especially if you're wearing white. You can definitely go with it. I think this is like a clean girl version of a whimsical, beautiful pop of color, and I love that. So let me know in the comments what do you think of this look, and I'll see you in my next one.